Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy to store. First, collect the flavorful pan drippings from your roasted meats. You'll also need some good quality broth, all-purpose flour, and a bit of extra fat, like butter or oil. Aim for a ratio of about 2 tablespoons of fat and 2 tablespoons of flour for every 1 cup of liquid to achieve a perfect consistency. Now, let's make the roux, which is key to a smooth, thick gravy. Melt your chosen fat, like butter or pan drippings, in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, gradually whisk in the flour until a smooth paste forms. Continue cooking this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly until it reaches a light golden color and smells slightly nutty. This step removes the raw flour taste. With your roux ready, it's time to add the liquid. Slowly pour in your broth, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing it to thicken as it cooks. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once it reaches your desired consistency, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, freshly ground black pepper, or your favorite herbs. Once your delicious gravy is complete, let it cool down completely before storing. Transfer it into airtight containers, leaving a little headspace if you plan to freeze it. You can keep homemade gravy in the refrigerator for up to 3 days or freeze it for up to 3 months. When reheating, gently warm it on the stovetop, adding a splash of broth or water if needed. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.